smooth landing from our pilots, Jim and Ed, guys. Give it up for them. They're doing a great job today. As we taxi over to the gate, guys, please remain in your seat with your seatbelts fastened until we come to a complete stop. If you're not already doing so, which I can see plenty of people are, you may use your phones. However, keep your seatbelts fastened. You in row 6 in the middle on the right side, I heard that. You better buckle that right back up right now. Not playing with you. Once we come to a complete stop, guys, you can stand up, stretch out, retrieve belongings. Exercise caution when doing so, as items tend to shift during flight and may fall out. Just be careful pulling those out, guys. Don't crush anybody. If you're continuing on here with us going over to Baltimore, please hang out in your original seat until Mike comes from the back of the aircraft. He's going to count you. Once we have an accurate through count confirmed with our operations agent, we'll make sure you guys can stand up, stretch out, and use the restroom. For those of you continuing on here in Atlanta, going on another Southwest Airlines flight, go down to the terminal, check the video monitors for your flight number and gate assignment. And for those of you continuing on here on another airline, frankly don't care. Not my child, not my problem. You know, you guys have many choices when you fly. We really appreciate you guys choosing to fly Southwest. So on behalf of the entire company and this Baltimore-based flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome everybody into Atlanta.